Kambuni ya Kenya Airways yugite ati niyambiriirie kwiyukiriria thutha wa gukorwo igithondeka hathara ya mabilioni ma mbeca. Ndumiriri-ini iria irekereirio igie mathabu matari makindire maginya muthia wa mweri wa kenda mwaka muhituku ni mahotete guthondeka baita ya ciringi milioni magana kenda ma mirongo ina na kenda urutini wao wa wira. Ndumiriri ino yonanitie ati muigana wa athii ni wongererekeire na gicunji kia 4.4 nginya athii milioni 2 na ngiri magana meri na thabari ciao cia nja ya gitaru kia Afrika ona cio ni ciongererekeire.
We also have challenges from an economic stability point of view, which is driven by the drop in commodity prices, and we know this more than other people. But even in the face of these challenges, we continue to fly to these places because we know there is a long-term future in the growth of Africa.
Oho, mbeca iria itumikaga na mahuthiro ni igwete na ciringi bilioni 2 nginya ciringi bilioni 32 na ngiri magana 8 undu uria umanite na kugwa gwa thogora wa maguta. Kwa ihinda riri, kambuni ino iguthie na mbere gwikirira mubango wa Operation Pride uria hitukitio ni ene share thirikari na kambuni ya KLM na itanya ria kumiriukiria.
The plan was a good one, and I believe from the results that we have presented, you'll accept that it is one that is working.
Mamwe ma maundu maria mekireirwo mubango-ini uyu ni gucokia faida ya kambuni ino, gukiria biashara na kurutithia wira utonga wa kambuni ino, maundu maria matanyitwo gukinyanira ihinda-ini ria mieri 18 nginya 24. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.